Ooh, what's in there?
I was going to get that.
Oh, just open the front, baby. See what's in there. Coop, open the front right in front of you. Wow, what is it? What is it, Monk?
It's a box.
Well, what's the picture of?
A kitchen.
A kitchen.